It says hello. All right, today is more than an exciting day because today it's history here at Apple. Today is as important. The iPhone launch day was as important as the Apple Vision Pro. We're here in New York City at the 5th Avenue to unbox, in this video, the Apple Vision Pro. Sure, my bank account hurts a little bit, and not a little bit, a lot. We still have it. I got it in 256 gigabytes, and just in case that wasn't enough, I also got the Apple Vision Pro travel case. $200, definitely on the pricey side, but I mean, if you're spending $4,000 almost on a Vision Pro, it's kind of a must. All right, so before we start unboxing the actual Vision Pro, let's quickly unbox the Apple Vision Pro travel case. Right here, you've got this little thing. You can actually just open it. It doesn't actually come with packaging, which was definitely interesting. So you do like this, and you ready? And just like, oh wow. It feels extremely nice. So you get a couple of things. You get this little pouch, obviously for the accessories and everything. Best pouch case I've ever seen in my life. It's also $200, but it feels like, it's like foamy. It's like, it's squishy in a very good way. Here's where the actual cables go. Okay, thank you. Here, actually, you wanna see it? You wanna show it in the video? Look at this. Not my Apple Vision Pro, but Tim Cook signed this Apple Vision Pro. You wanna change it? This one's like not signed. Also coming from Spain, he's the lucky one. He's the chosen one. He's not gonna open it. Apple Vision Pro, here we go. We're gonna pull the pull tab. Are you ready? We're about to see it. Here it is. Woohoo! There it is. Absolutely beautiful packaging, by the way. Let's leave that on the side for a bit. Let me see. You get this like paper like this that actually like holds up perfectly well. Great paper. This could actually be really cool just to have it like on your desk or something. I haven't seen anyone talking about that. And then here's what you actually get inside of the box, right? Apple Vision Pro, massive paperwork. You get this little booklet that's like very good quality. It's like the Apple Watch Ultra booklet, but this is, what else do we get? We get the dual loop band right here. Let me go ahead and open it. This is the dual loop band right there. What else do you get? Whoa, the power brick. The power brick. It's definitely heavy. Big, big battery pack. The moment that every Apple fan was waiting, the polishing cloth. And it's actually a different polishing cloth than the one that Apple actually sold. Once again, probably the best polishing cloth I've ever touched in my life. Obviously, for the price, you gotta pay it, but there you go, Apple Vision Pro branding right there. We got a light seal cushion here. This basically goes like this. And that's everything that you get in the box. Very exciting, but what's even more exciting is what we all came to see, Apple Vision Pro for the first time. All right, so what's the first steps here? You gotta pull this tab right here. And then I guess everything just slides right off. And then you got the light seal right here that you just pull. And here it is. Here's my Apple Vision Pro. You ready? How do I look?
Great.
Like great or great?
Great.
Whoa! I can see you guys.
Great.
It says hello. Okay. Holy crap. All right, so that's the Apple Vision Pro unboxing. I'm actually gonna go set it up, so thank you so much for watching. If you actually wanna see the vlog on me picking it up, you can tap this video right here. Subscribe for tons of content of Apple Vision Pro. This month will only be Apple Vision Pro content, so definitely be ready. My battery pack is ready. My Apple Vision Pro is ready. I'm ready. The question is, are you ready? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.